Hey guys, what's up? We actually have a pretty good video today. So we have a new family member. Come here, Starro. I'm gonna show you guys my two original. But this is my first dog my dog. He's my second animal in the group. So that's the middle child. And I got my first animal ever actually. Oh. We had her in a video though, too. But Holly we have. She hates me now because of the new animal. The new animal? It's a new kitten. Blue Blue! Come on, man. Oh! Blue! Say hi to YouTube. His name is Blue. Ah! You're gonna stop the recordings. His name is Blue. We call him Blue Blue to get our attention. But he's so cute, isn't he? He looks like Holly a bit, my first cat. Is that you? I know that right there is you. You lazy. Oh. Okay, buddy. He's tired. Oh yeah, guys. I have officially made a new channel. It's called Aidenfun123 Jvke fan. And we just react to Jvke's stuff. And if we find any fake artist things, I'll test them out with you guys. Ready? Ready to hear his meow? Isn't it so cute? Ready? Okay, you go back to sleep, you poof head. I know you see yourself. Yeah, you're right there. You're right there. I know, I see it. So yeah, make sure to check out my new channel. I'll have the link and I'll have the YouTube name in the description. Thank you for coming to see my fan. Bye.